Reception, how may I help you?
Hello, I'm An in room 5001. I have a lot of complaint about laundry service.
What exactly are the problem, Mr. An?
The first, I sent a jean and linen dress to laundry service, but now they return, but jean has been faded and linen dress has been shrunk.
Hmm. Oh, I am terribly sorry, Mr. An. According to the hotel rule, so we will pay up you to 10 times the cost of laundering the item in question. I hope this will help.
Okay, and but not just only I have a problem. Is a scrap is missing.
Oh, I see that you have some serious problem. Mr. An, I'm going to contact the laundry manager right now and ask her to attend to your problem personally.
I hope so.
Oh, please let me uh, pay as much as is allowed. Pay company rules for damaged article, and we will do our utmost to find the missing item.
Okay, that's all. Thank you very much.
Yeah, we will take immediately action, Mr. An.
Okay, goodbye.
Thank you. Okay.